Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is Magnesium Oil Spray. So, let's get to it. If you're looking for a magnesium oil spray, let's test this out. I'm going to put it on my feet. They say that's the best place to put it, so that's what I'm going to do. So, comes in a bottle. It is a plastic bottle. Just there's been some confusion whether it comes in a glass bottle or a plastic bottle. It comes in a plastic bottle with a sprayer. And let's just adjust this camera a little bit. And I've cleaned off my feet. And you just put 10 to 15 sprays on your feet. It has a really nice smell. I would guess I would say it's a lemony smell. Very soothing, lemony smell. Very nice. I'll do my other foot here. Very good smell. I love the smell. I do love the smell of it. If you're looking for a magnesium oil spray, I say give this a shot. It smells delicious.